Okay, everybody. Yeah, we got a new project now, which this project probably is very good for school project. It's the ISS tracker. So it's the International Space Station, and you can track it with a program. Let me see here. There is one problem that I don't understand. I usually don't have these flashy. I'll set the baud rate higher, but and I'll try lower, so but it's still flashing. Not sure why. But in any case, there is a ISS tracker, the last latitude where it is now, and the longitude, and the distance from my coordinate, which I'm in Cape Town. And here says 11,000 kilometers. That's how far it is. I put an LED so that when it gets within 1,000 kilometers close to my place, the light goes on, the LED goes on. Well, you can have more LED. You can have one LED goes on at 3,000 kilometers. Another one goes on with different color, like a yellow, green, blue. And then the last one, 500 kilometers, then it's red or something, or a beeper. Beep, beep when it's over your head. Okay, but yeah, just don't understand why it's flashing. And this is done on a Wemos. Okay, I don't know why it's out of focus as well. Yeah. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, here I put a constant float distance threshold. I put 1,000 kilometers. On this run, I've tried now again. I usually use 9,600 baud rate, because my mini prof usually freezes when I pull down the serial monitor. In any case, this is my coordinate. So there is what it does, it takes a distance, measure the angulation of your latitude and longitude, and then calculate the distance of the spacecraft, whatever, the ISS. Earlier on it was about 6,000 kilometers, and now it's 11,000. So it's sort of moved away now. Okay, so I've used an OLED screen, but I'll try later maybe with a Nokia, which is much bigger screen, and put the altitude as well, although the altitude has always been stuck on 416 kilometers above the Earth. Okay, so you can see all the calculation here. And you can see the how it, how it works. I think it's this is almost everything that can be put on. Yeah. Right. Just don't forget your it uses Wi-Fi. Okay, so I'm not going through. And it's an ESP8266 Wemos Mini Pro. And this is how the library you should use. It's obviously the Wi-Fi and the client HT, because it's using an API function. I don't have the API, but I don't need it. It just access the internet via Jetson. Wire. Okay, you got GFX. That's all the same. You probably have already. The only one you might not have is a math.h. A secret is the one that I made here. When I click on the, doesn't show on the camera, but in any case, you go to new tab. You make a new tab and you call it secrets H, and then you put your network username and your password. Okay. Oops. So what I did as well, I double quote these two because I'm not going to use it. But if you want to use it, you put your network username and your password here, but you must unquote them. Okay. But if you don't use this one, remember to include secrets.h, which is this file here. Okay. So that's it. I use the digital tree for the LED. So the LED goes on when the moment is what now? It's 12,400 kilometers away. So yeah, gotta wait. Usually goes around the Earth about 16 times a day, but doesn't pass on the same spot. Okay. All right, guys. This was a little exercise. If anybody want to, let me know if you want the same project on a LCD 1602 or on a Nokia or on the color screen, the Pico 1.14 LCD. Okay, please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and have a good day. Thank you. Ciao.